47 pages of criminal history in 5 years?
47 cycles, Your Honor. For pages, it is 46 pages of criminal history, including, well, the California one's old, so I'm not gonna count that one, but just in the last 5 years alone, and these are just,
They were not 47 in the last 5 years.
Hey, don't talk. But the problem is, at some point, your actions become your own. You've picked up a theft case here in Harris County. You've got an open case in another jurisdiction. You've got pages upon pages. So at what point is it on you?
When you pay your debt to society, why do they keep using it against you? I pay my debt to society for
Because
those,
it continues.
hires. Okay.
Continues to happen. At some point, DAs are like, jail just doesn't work anymore. So that's when we got to go to prison, because this dude.
But prison don't help guys. That don't make them better. That makes them worse. Instead of tormenting them and sending them and feeding them to the wolves, y'all should sit down with that person to find out what's going on to help that person.
I can't tell you how many stories I have read of people who get college degrees, even become a lawyer while they're in prison. If you want it to help, then it will. If you have this woe is me attitude, it's never going to change. It's never going to change.
I'm not helping.